to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your E90, and I wasn't even really planning on doing a video on this, but I figured if I'm going to do it, I might as well film it, and maybe this video will help someone. The E90 takes two different size blades. You've got a 24-inch for the driver's side and a 19-inch for the passenger side. Stand the blades up so that you can access the back side. So I'm just using these universal wipers that I got from the store. And they came in the box with a couple different adapters based on what car you have. The one that came pre-installed is this one with the clip inside. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you want to replace that with the one that's just this circle that you can see right through. So we're going to swap those out and we'll put these on the car. Looking at the underside of the wiper blade, just press on this tab to remove the plastic cover and the wiper blade will slide right off. Then just put the new blade in its place. Don't forget it's 19 inches for the passenger side and the 24-inch one will go on the driver's side. One last tip to get a little bit extra life out of your blades is to use some kind of water repelling product on your windshield from time to time. I personally like to use Rain-X, and I just feel like having that extra lubrication between the rubber on the blade and the glass on your windshield maybe makes them last a little bit longer. Alright, well that's really all there is to it, and honestly sometimes when it comes to these really simple projects I sometimes think like, do I even really bother filming this, or is it worth getting all the camera stuff out? But then I think like, even if this helps one or two people, I think that it's worthwhile. So just give me a thumbs up if you found this information helpful, and of course the links are down in the description. You guys already know what to do. And then one quick note, I actually paid off this car this past week, so that feels really good just to have that over with, just to have that kind of weight lifted off my shoulders. So now the goal from here out is to just, I guess, keep this thing running as long as I can. It's only got 87,000 miles on it right now, so just based on the E90 community and what I know about these cars and these engines, I know this car still has a long way to go in terms of mileage. So look forward to more videos on this car. Look forward to more videos on the FRS coming this spring as it gets a little bit warmer out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.